Hello again. Here we are in front of the world famous big board here at Birmingham Southern College again, continuing our uh, just quick tips about Azure. As I've talked about in the last several videos, that's been kind of our big thing right now. Our big project is migrating our servers over to Azure, getting them in the Microsoft cloud. Just hitting a few quick tips, no details, nothing like that with these videos. There's always, as I've said, go to my website, kellyf.net, microsoftmechanic.net. That'll be a good place to start, to go to my blog, to Twitter, to other resources to fine-tune and get more details on all these subjects, and I'm always happy to answer questions. But the last tip, we talked about allocating resources and how to avoid, giving yourself too many costs and bills that are too high. In this segment, I wanted to talk just real quick about backups, because backups are a little confusing with Azure. They talk about just regular backups and site recovery and different things like that. Just wanted to pass along, you can actually do both file level and full snapshot recovery with Azure, just with the regular backups that come built in. So you'll be able to do that, set those up however you want them. Keep in mind also that backups are pretty cheap. They're very inexpensive. It's your resources you allocate to the servers and your traffic in and out that causes your bills to be huge sometimes. Backups are pretty cheap. So I actually went from, I started out as weekly. Now I've gone to daily, and I'm keeping several snapshots, full snapshots of each server as well. And it's working out very well. I've tested them. There's a whole method to doing backups. Recovery from those backups, that's for another time, but it works very well. I've tested it. They speak of site recovery, and that's what's a little confusing. That's what costs a lot extra to have, and for us here at the college, we don't really need that. That's if you cannot afford any downtime at all, and that's if the site that you're replicating and where you have your servers stored with Microsoft, if that site gets blown away or something happens and it goes down, they have site recovery, which moves your stuff to another site. So you basically have zero downtime. We don't typically need that here, so we're not doing that, at least for now. So that's a way to save some on your bill. So just keep those things in mind when you're setting up your backups. That's one thing that's critical, is keeping those backups. But the functionality so far in my testing is great. I mean, to recover from those backups, to set them up, they just work every time. They seem to do very well, so I'm very happy with that. So again, that's just another tip. We'll come up with as we bump our way through this, I'm just trying to help you out, maybe just some quick things so that you can avoid some mistakes with your billing and your resources and your backups. We'll have another tip next time. And again, see me at kellyf.net. That'll take you to my blog, to all the other resources, of course my YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.